Hello everyone, welcome to Civil Mania. So in today's lecture I will be telling about how to create the how to create the foundations below the columns. And for that what you need to do is, as in my previous video I have shown you in details how to draw the grids, how to create the columns, how to give their annotations, how to tag them. So in today's video I will be telling about how to create the foundations, and for that what you need to do is you need to simply go to the structure part, and in the structure part you need to go to the isolated foundations. You need to simply click in the foundation, and as you can see here there are the foundations present. So this is the shape of this is the actually the size of the foundation, that is 1800 by 1800 by 1200, and 450 mm is the depth of the foundation. So let me do one thing. Let me select one of the foundation, and you can even go to the edit type and you can even change the foundation. That is, let me change the foundation depth as the 500, but you should not change it here. Sorry, do one thing. Let me again click on edit type, click on duplicate, then create here foundation 1, then change the height to depth to change the depth to 500, and remove this to okay. Foundation 1, change its depth to 500. Okay, now I have created the foundation. After now creating the foundations, now I have to create the foundations. So for that you can select individually one foundations, or you can do what is, you can simply click on add grids like that of the footings. Click on add grids. Now select where you want the foundation. Suppose in this I want the foundations. Now after that click on finish it. After that simply click in one foundation and press SA. All foundations of same property will get selected. Now go to the level. The level is the foundation level. Height offset is 0. Okay, now everything is okay. Now structural material is also okay. Now everything is okay. Now if you go to the 3D view, you can check the foundations which are got created. So these are all the foundations which are being created. Okay, so hope it's clear to all of you how to create the foundations. Now I will create the foundations for the other. Now I'll create the foundation. Sorry, where is my, let me remove this one. Let me move to my foundation level of the plan. Now I will show you I will create other foundations of different shape. Let me again go to the isolated foundations. Let me go to this foundation and click on edit type and give the depth as 500. Create on duplicate foundation to 2000 by, let me create foundation of 2000 by 1500 and 500. 2000 by 1500 and 500. Change here 1500, 2000 and 500. Now click on OK. After that, this one is the foundation to create it. Now I will click on add grids and I will select all the grid lines. Now after that I will click on finish. Now I will again click escape button. Now I will click on one of the foundation and click SA. After clicking SA, now my foundations of the same property will get selected automatically. I will now check for the level. Okay, height offset okay, everything is now okay. So now I can go to the again the 3D view and I can check for the rest of the foundation. See, in this manner you can check for the foundation. So hope it's clear to all of you how to create the foundations as well. Now let me close this 3D view and let me as this one is the foundation level of the floor plan. So in the structural level, ground foundation level is present here. In the foundation level, these are only my I need to show only my foundations, but I have shown here the columns. Let me do one thing. Let me create the copy of this one. So in order to create the copy of this one, you have to simply go to the view. After going to the view, plan view, structural plan. After going to the structural plan, I want to make the copy of the foundation level. So click on OK. So I have created the copy of the foundation level. So this one is the foundation level. Now I will rename it. I will rename this one as the column plan. Now I will again copy another one. Now again let me do one thing. Let me again copy structural plan, foundation level, again another one copy. So I will rename this one as the foundation plan, column plan, foundation plan. Then I'll again rename this one as the another one. Let me create another one, but before creating I need to create first in the foundation plan, in the floor plan foundation level. So as you can see here in the column plan, this is the structural plans column plan. In the column plan I will go to the visibility graphics and I will uncheck the footings, visibility of the footings. Where are the footings? Visibility of where are the footings present? So as you can see here, the columns are present. After the columns, so you can do one thing. So what you will do is in the column plan I need to see only the columns. So in the column plan I will go to the column plan. As I have copied this to the same of the same property as that of the structural plans of this one of the foundation level. So what I will do is I will go to the column plan. This is the column plan. Now I will go to visibility graphics and I will uncheck here. I will filter the list of only the structures. Now structural, now what will be present? Now structural foundations. I will remove the structural foundations and apply it. Now these are only the columns present here. In the foundation plan I will remove the columns. I will go to visibility graphics and I will remove the structural columns. So apply it. So these are my only the foundations. So afterwards I need to give here all the taggings and the annotations. So these are my two plans I have created here, but I have to create the original diagram in the floor plan, but I have to make ready side by side the column plan, the foundation plan, the beam plan, everything. So let me again move to the foundation plan of the foundation level of the floor plan. Now foundations are being created. Now I will, so hope it's clear to all of you how to create the foundation. So in my next video I will teach about how to create the beams. Okay, So even let me go to the elevation view and check it. Let me go to the elevation view. See, this one is the elevation view. Now my foundation is below the foundation level of 500 mm depth. So this one is the foundation level. This one is the foundation level. Then this one is the ground level. Then so I need to close all these things. Is column plan not required, foundation plan not required, because I have created here column plan, foundation plan, and delete rest of the things. So this one is the plan. Now after creating this, I can go to the suppose I need to change this type of foundation here to pile foundation. So what I will do is I will select this foundation to pile foundation. I need to create pile foundation. So go to insert, go to the insert, load family. Then I need to create pile foundation. Go back. So structural foundations. So structural foundations, I need to give here the 3 pile foundations. Suppose this one I need to create it here. Click on open. So now let me go to the structure, click on footing. Now pile, suppose I want to give here the earlier the foundation was already present. I will delete that foundation. Let me delete this foundation and provide here the pile foundation. Or let me do one thing, let me select this one and change it to pile foundation. In this manner we can change it. Suppose this one, this one, this one, and this one, and the center one, I will select it and I will change it to pile cap. Okay, in this manner I have changed them. If I want to rotate this one, I will simply click it and I will press the space bar. In this manner I can rotate it by pressing the space bar button. So hope it's clear to all of you. So let me change this one in this manner. So if I go to now the 3D view, I can check for the piles as well. So hope it's clear to all of you how to create the foundation between below the columns. So in this manner we can create the foundations. So now let me go to the foundation plan, and after going to the foundation plan, as you can see here, these are the, now I can click it here. After clicking it here, I can go to the override graphics in view by element. After going it here, I can give the transparency so that my piles, 3 piles will be shown very properly. See, now my 3 piles are shown in a very accurate manner, but whereas in this 3, after clicking only they will show. You can check the accuracy of this one and this one. There is a vast difference in the accuracy. So in this manner we can change them. So I actually don't need to change in all the piles. I have changed here only the property, because here I will give the annotations. So let me give the annotations here. Go to the annotate, then tag by category. This one is the pile. So this one is the pile size. Let me make this one as the horizontal in this manner. So after tagging this one, even I can tag all. I can click on tag all and I can give here the foundation tag, structural foundation tags, apply it. It will tag all the foundations. They have, along with that, they have also even in this manner we need to we can move a bit upward by simply selecting one and pressing SA and moving it. Here I need to remove the dimensions of the pile. So in this manner we can draw the diagram, and also we can even give the annotations. As I have given here the name, I can give here the annotations by going to the annotation aligned and the distance between the piles center to center. So in this manner we can show the annotations. So the name of this plan is the foundation plan. Similarly, you need to save it. For saving the file, you need to place Ctrl S. But remember that before saving the file, such as I will save the file in the desktop, but before saving the file, go to the options and click here. Instead of maximum backup, here press as keep the maximum backup as 1 and press OK, and full project, right? I will save it as full project. Save it. Okay, so this one is my foundation plan. Let me create the column plan. I have already created the column plan here. This one is my column plan, or I can create another time by simply clicking on tag all by category. Let me create on tag all structural column tags, apply. Now created at a time. So this one is my column plan, this one is my foundation plan. Now let me go to the floor plans foundation level. So this is how I have created. Now in my next video I will show you how to create the beams and the beam plan. So thanks for watching my video. Have a great day. Take care. If you have not subscribed my channel, then please subscribe it. for the upcoming videos and the various videos on the various softwares. And thanks for watching my video.